too pretty for drama. Too pretty for drama. Too pretty for drama. Too busy getting commas. Hair blowing in the summer. Everybody want my number. Walking like I own the room. Sweet perfume, expensive mood. Cute face but my mind dangerous. Whole vibe looking famous. They talk, I glow. That's just how it go. Big shades, iced coffee, living life ball. Too pretty for drama. No time for the trauma. If it's not money or love, I don't even bother. Too pretty for stress. Only saying yes to vacations, good vibes, and designer dresses. Pretty girls worldwide. Hands up tonight. We look too good to cry, so we dance all night.